A car dealership needs to transport 897 cars to an island. If the ferry can hold 23 cars, how many trips will the ferry need to make? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our large number, 897, and divide from it 23. Now, I don't know what the answer is. I don't know if it's going to be a perfect number or a not perfect number. So we may have a remainder, we may not. So if we do, we'll deal with that when we get there. But let's set this guy up, okay? Our divisor is 23, so that's going to go on the outside. And our dividend is 897, that's going to go on the inside of our house. Now, if we divide a 2-digit divisor from a 3-digit dividend, we ask ourselves how many times that 2 digits goes into these first 2 digits. In other words, 23 times what is going to be 89? Well, it's not exact, but it's going to be 23 times 3. Because 3 times 23 is 69, which is smaller than 89, but not too small. 89 minus 69 is 20. Now, we drop down the next digit, so we get 207, and we ask ourselves how many times 23 goes into 207. Now, I'm going to guess 9. I don't know if I'm right, but I'm going to guess 9, so let's try that. Now let's go off to the side because I don't know what 9 times 23 is. So 23 times 9, let's always put the smaller number on the bottom. And let's do regular old multiplication to see what 9 times 23 is. So 9 times 3 is 27. Write out your 7, carry over the 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is get out of here, 207. So 9 times 23 is an exact 207. That's good, because with no more numbers to drop down, and 207 minus 207 being 0, I have no remainder. So 897 divided by 23 is 39 exactly. So the question is asking, how many trips will the ferry need to make? 39 trips.